the marginal people in 20th century. Now we will see what those movements were. Number one, anti-partisan movement. Number B, non-cooperation movement. Next, civil disobedience movement. And the last one was Quit India movement. If we will see the time of occurrence, then we will see anti-participation movement started in 1905, non-cooperation movement started in 1920 to 1922, civil disobedience movement started in 1930 till 32, and Quit India movement started in 1942 and was continued till 1944. Again, we will discuss in details. First of all, we are going to discuss about anti-partisan movement. Anti-partisan movement was one of the important movement before the Gandhian era. Before Gandhian era, this anti-partisan movement started initially on 7th of August 1905. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal. The real objective was to divide and rule policy, but the policy which is showed by Lord Curzon was not the real one. Ultimately, on 7th of August 1905, this particular movement started, and on 16th of October 1905, Lord Curzon put it into effect, and thus that particular day is observed. On that particular day, it is observed as National Mourning in all over Bengal. In this particular moment, there were strong participations of women and students. The most important women who participated in this movement were Swarna Kumari Das, Sarla Devi, Naniwala Devi, Hemangini Das, Manjalata Gupta. All these women, they boycotted British goods and they promoted Swadeshi goods. Thus, Swadeshi and boycott movement, it were in practice. Enthusiastically left the government institutions and joined the national institutions. Secondly, they boycotted foreign goods, and thirdly, nearly 5,000 students worked in a procession at the initiative of Ripon College. And if we see to this movement, anti-partisan movement, the chief architect of the Swadeshi movement, which it happened in this anti-partisan movement, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. Ultimately, the result of anti-partisan movement was that British government passed the Carlyle Circular and National Council for Education was set up. And all related questions for anti-partisan movement you will be able to see in your screen. You see non-cooperation movement. Time of occurrence. Non-cooperation movement it occurred in 1920 and it was continued till 1922. The most important women leader of this non-cooperation movement were Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Kamala Devi, Basanti Devi, and Urmila Devi. The main aim of this particular non-cooperation movement was self-governance and obtaining full independence. Actually, Gandhiji started this particular movement on 4th September 1920. It was due to Rowlatt Act. Ultimately, this particular movement, it was suspended by Mahatma Gandhi by seeing an incident at Chauri Chaura in February 1922. All related questions for non-cooperation movement you will be able to see now on your screen. Now see civil disobedience movement 1930 to 1932. Noted women who participated in the civil disobedience movement were Kamala Devi, Basanti Devi, Razia Khatun and Sarojini Naidu also participated. Their main objective was, firstly, they demanded political reformation. Secondly, they advocated for female education. And thirdly, they protested against imperialism. Students also participated in civil disobedience movement. In 1931, Gandhi-Irving Pact signed and students felt betrayed. Thus, civil disobedience movement it ended. Now, you will be able to see all related questions for civil disobedience movement on your screen. Now we are moving towards Quit India movement. Quit India movement it started in 1942. The most important women leaders were Sarojini Naidu, Sujita Kripalini, Matangini Hazara. Matangini Hazara also known as Gandhi Budi, Rani Chanda, and Matangini Hazara led women soldiers or Bhagni Sena to occupy the Tamluk police stations. Not only the women, students also participated in Quit India movement. Students of Allahabad University and Banaras Hindu University organized campaigns. The students of South India also went for strike. Gandhiji gave a call for do or die. Thus, Quit India movement played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. Thank you.